Awesome. I'm Leslie Conover, the Vice President of Sales for Swann Communications, and this is our 4K handy dandy flood cam. It is an amazing new product, 2600 lumens bright, dimmable by the Smart app, and it has a 4K camera here for ultimate clarity. So all those really critical informational needs like license plates, how somebody looks, what they're wearing, you can see it in super clear clarity with 4K. You can zoom in on the scene from the app, and you can send those clips to family, friends, police, whoever you may need to have coverage there. This item is available at Sam's Club right now, inside stores, as well as at Lowe's. So if you're in need of a super powerful floodlight even, why not have a 4K flood cam with it? And then you can really have the ultimate coverage and security for your property. So if you're looking for a super serious product and camera system for your home or business, look no further than Swann's 4K or 12 megapixel Pro Enforcer NVR system. This is the ultimate in home or business security. Check out the easy to view thumbnails here on the side. You can see clips, assign faces, names, stranger, danger, any of that kind of stuff to your system. Beyond that, there's also line crossing, sound detection, object removal detection, and basically this is the VIP suite of analytics for any of our camera systems. These have metal casings on the outside, so super strong quality. You can see that the enforcer lights are built here into the dome so that those are helpful in preventative care of danger, crime. And then you can see over here that we also have a pan and tilt camera that has the enforcer crime stopping abilities as well. Super helpful to span larger spaces. I actually have this on my garage and it looks out to my whole front driveway and side yard. So definitely recommend this system. You can find our 16-channel, 8-camera version at Sam's Club, any local Sam's Club right now for the best deal in town.
Hello, I'm Rich with Swann, and let's talk today about wireless CCTV. Swann is known for our wired CCTV, but maybe our customers just don't have the ability to run wires from a camera back to a base station. We have that solved with our All Secure series. The All Secure series offers a Wi-Fi NVR with a hard drive inside, a 1 terabyte hard drive. This also has a battery backup, so should the power go out, you get hours and hours worth of battery backup until the power is restored. This battery also allows you to remove it, and when you want to take our cameras and replace the battery, all you simply do is pull the battery out and put the charged battery back in. That simple. So this way, you have all the power of a NVR in a wireless system. Pretty cool. Now, for the customer, may not even want to, let's say they want to mount this up very high and don't want to access it every few months to replace the battery, Swann does offer a solar panel option. This can be mounted either next or quite a ways distance from the camera to get the best sunlight to trickle charge the camera year-round. So this is our Swann All Secure series with battery cameras, battery NVR, DVR, all in a great package, and gives your customer what they're looking for in a Swann security system.
So with Swann's 650 All Secure Wireless Series in 2K and soon to be 4K, TBD, coming soon, you get to take advantage of some really cool opportunities. Besides it being amazing at 2K clarity and having battery backup, you have 1 terabyte of free storage. Do you know what that means? That's almost 2 years of recordings that you can keep to yourself in privacy on your own box for free. No fees required.